Are you curious about how to maintain a nutritious diet while managing your budget? In a world where healthy eating can sometimes seem expensive, the concept of healthy eating on a budget holds a special allure. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. This article will take you on a journey through practical tips and delicious recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds but also keep your wallet happy. 1. Budget-friendly shopping. The first step in economical healthy eating is smart shopping. Learn how to make the most of your grocery budget by focusing on affordable staples like whole grains, beans, and frozen vegetables. Discover the art of buying in bulk and taking advantage of sales and discounts. 2. Meal planning. Effective meal planning can be a game changer. It allows you to utilize ingredients efficiently and reduce food waste. We'll provide you with strategies on how to plan meals for the week, making it easier to stick to your budget. 3. Cooking at home. Dining out can be costly, but cooking at home can be both economical and healthy. Explore cooking techniques and recipes that are not only nutritious but also easy on your wallet. From homemade soups to stir-fry dishes, we'll guide you through budget-friendly culinary adventures. 4. Eating seasonally. Seasonal produce tends to be more affordable and fresher. Learn how to align your diet with the seasons, making the most of fruits and vegetables that are readily available and less expensive during specific times of the year. 5. Batch cooking. Batch cooking is a time-saving and budget-friendly strategy. Discover how to prepare larger quantities of meals and freeze them for later use. This can help you cut down on takeout and last-minute dining expenses. 6. Healthy snacking. Snacking can be both nutritious and cost-effective. We'll introduce you to budget-friendly snack options that include nuts, yogurt, and homemade energy bars. These will not only satisfy your cravings but also provide essential nutrients. 7. Recipes for thrifty eaters. Explore a selection of delicious, budget-friendly recipes. From hearty lentil stew to a colorful vegetable stir-fry, we'll present you with step-by-step instructions and ingredient lists to create wholesome meals without breaking the bank. 8. Sustainability and savings. In the final paragraph, we'll connect the dots between budget-conscious eating and sustainability. You'll learn how making eco-friendly food choices can align with your budgetary goals and lead to long-term savings. With these insights and recipes, you'll be equipped to embark on a journey of healthy eating without straining your finances. Maintaining a balanced diet that nourishes your body doesn't have to be expensive. Healthy eating on a budget is not just a concept, it's an achievable reality. So, let's get started on this flavorful and cost-effective adventure toward better nutrition and financial well-being. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.